Hi children, today we are going to do reading using Oxford Reading Book, and today we are going to read about a train engine. It's on page number 25, Toot the Engine. Right, here we have the lesson on page number 25, Toot the Engine. There's an engine and this engine's name is Toot, right? So we call Toot the Engine. Words to learn, right? Now we have some words we must learn on this little word bank here. Let's see. Listen, woman, ticket, engine, whistle, wheels, train, off, tracks, carry, steam, ride. Right? So you must learn the words given here. You must learn the spellings as well. Right? One day I will take the spellings of these words. So practice the spelling by writing on your writing book. You can use to write these words. Okay? Right. Now let's read. Toot is my name. I can say it well. Listen to me hoot. Toot, toot, toot. The engine is making a noise. Toot, toot, toot. Right? I am an engine. I pull a long train. I carry men. I carry women. I carry boys. I carry girls. I carry bags and tins and sacks. Right? So the engine says, I am an engine. I pull a long train. I want to pull one long, bigger train එකක් අදින්න. I carry men, women, boys, girls, bags, tins and sacks. So things he can carry in the train. He has explained. Right? Sacks කියන්නේ මොනවද? ගෝනි. Right? Other words are familiar with you. Sacks means in Sinhala we call goni. Right? I carry sand and rocks. I carry boxes, both big and small. Puff, puff, puff. I go up the hill. Chug, chug, chug. I come down again. I listen for the whistle. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And whoosh, I'm off. Just look at my steam. Duma. Steam means duma. See on the picture they have shown. Steaming. Right? Just look at my steam. If you want to come with me, please get a ticket. Right? If you want to go by a train, you have to buy a ticket. Right? Right. Now next page. My wheels are on tracks. They go round and round. Tickety tick, tickety tick, clickety click, clickety clack. Tackety tack, tackety tack tick. Clackety clack, clackety click. Come with me, come and join the fun. Come and have a ride with Toot the Engine. Right? So it's about a train engine. So you have seen many words there. So some words are given here. And there are new words as well. Let's read loud. Toot. Hoot. Moon. Soon. Room. Roof. Good. Cook. Stewed. All these words have oo sound. Oo sound how do we make? Using two O letters. Two O letters we call double O, and double O makes sound oo. Right? Read again. Toot, hoot, moon, soon. See, all have oo sound in the middle. Room, roof, good, cook, stewed. And here we have another set of words. Carry, marry, Harry. See, double R is there. With Y it pronounced as re. So carry, marry, Harry. Engine, giraffe, George. Uj sound is there. Engine, giraffe, George, uj. G sound make uj sound there, right? So those are little new sounds for us. So you have to practice the reading. Okay, practice by reading these words. Now letter B, answer the following. So you have the book, you write the answers, reading book. There's an exercise book for this. So on that you have to answer the following. Why is the engine called Toot? Why it is called Toot? Because the engine is making a noise like that. So that's why it's called Toot. So you can say why it is called Toot. Because engine makes toot noise. What name can you think of for an engine? What name can you think of for an engine? You can make another word. You can say maybe for example chuck. It's making different noises, so using that you can make names. You can say Pufferty, like that. Pufferty is also a nice name for an engine, right? So you can create a new name. Okay. Right. Next question. Number 3 on the next page. What does Toot pull? I pull a long train. Answer is on page number 25. I pull a long train. What does Toot pull? A long train. What does Toot carry? It's given here. I carry men, I carry women, I carry boys. So you can make a list. Men, women, boys, girls, bags, tins, sacks, sand and rocks, big and small boxes, right? Where does Toot go? Where does it go? It goes up the hill, down again, right? Then we have letter C. Find words for the following. 1. Sounds. Sounds. So you have to find a word on the passage. Let's see. For the sound, we can say, for the sounds, we can say toot. Toot, another meaning for toot is a sound with a short, sharp sound like horn making. So toot, okay. And for the people, we can say men, right? Men. And the third one is containers. For the containers, we can say, what we have to say for the containers, let's see on the passage. We can say boxes. Containers, boxes have same meanings, right? Right. Circle 5 things you get on a train. Letter D. Circle 5 things you get on a train. So what are the words given? Seat, window, taxi, lake. On this side you can see 4 words, and you can circle things you get on a train. What can you see on a train? Seat, right? And window. So there is a window. There are many windows on a train, right? Potato, clock, chimney, ship. Then fan, flower, horse, shop. Plum, door, whistle, cart. Door you can circle, whistle you can circle, and you get fans also. There are fans in the train, so you can circle fan as well, right? Who says what? Match A and B. So they have given animals and their noises. What are the animals? We can see lions, turkey, monkeys, hens, cows, cats and dogs. And the lions say roar. Turkeys say gobble, gobble. Monkeys say, what does the monkey say? Chatter, chatter. Monkeys say chatter, right? Then the hens say cluck, cluck. Hens say cluck. Cows go moo. Cats say meow. Dogs bark. They say woof woof, barking. So bark word is given here. Right. Then think of words to describe the following. A train, a hill, a trip. So you have to think. How do you explain about a train? You can write a sentences. For example, if I say a train is a long vehicle going on the rail track. Right? So like that you have to explain all three words. I don't help you for that. You have to think. Okay? Right. So you can read the passage, read the explanation about the Toot engine and answer the questions. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed our reading and we will meet you again in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.